As per usual for me, barefoot, and I see the idea. I do it in my head 1,000 times, and then I do it in real life, and I don't measure or do any execution of anything. This was the dash mount for the original dash for the Onyx. Does that look familiar? I cut all the metal out right here, and then I'm going to put it like this, and it'll still support the dash, but now the inside rings will fit inside the bar risers. Pretty cool, huh? Hey! And Mr. 15-year-old got his checkup. They said they haven't seen a 15-year-old dog that healthy ever. So, congratulations, my handsome little Scirocco. He's a Quattro, by the way. Yeah, Quattro valve, 4-valve, all-wheel drive. He is fantastic. He's in better health than I am. He's in better health than anybody I know. So, that's a really good note. I'm really happy about that. He just got a little sick from hanging out with a bunch of dogs. What is in your mouth? Stay. Let me see. What is? Give me. Stay. What is that? What is that? I was just bragging about you. What you doing, you little monkey? What, you wanna go for a ride? You wanna go for a ride? Yeah, you wanna go for a ride? As soon as Daddy finishes his Onyx, we'll go for a ride. We'll take the hill climb bike. I'll strap you on with a backpack. That way you don't fly off when I hit the pedal. Okay, sounds good. Thanks, buddy. All right, my phone keeps blowing up because that's what I use to video all of this. If you notice, there's a little bit of a Christmas sheen to it. That's because the lens broke and I had to replace it. So these videos will be very, very short. I took the mount, cut it in half, and then put the right side on the left side. So now that they'll fit inside the bar riser. I haven't even checked, but what do you know? That is definitely going to fit. I have to reroute this cable to go to the front side so then I can stick it on there. But that doesn't matter either way because I got the forks on backwards. So I need to swap the left fork for the right fork, turn the wheel around, and then install the brakes, and then I can put the dashboard on it. But we did it! We did it! Look, functioning steering wheel, upgraded brakes, upgraded forks. I got the dashboard mounted. I just got to go ahead and finish up with the little sillies. But after that, it's the headlight, and that's about it. I would like to retain the original headlight, which means I'm going to need a different bracket, something that'll go under this 48 millimeter shaft. But that's okay, because I keep that stuff right about here. So yeah, we're good to go. We'll just mount it all up. We should have this thing done in a day or so. All right, dash is mounted. Forks are on the right way. Everything's looking pretty decent. I just figure out what he wants me to do with his headlight, replace it or keep using it, and then I have to make brackets. So that's about it. It's looking pretty good so far. Oh, and I need to replace this mechanical brake handle. I have one, I stuck it here. I don't know what I did with it. Probably check here, but that's the update.